Hi friends, today we will see how to use filter function in Excel. Filter function in Excel is used to filter a range of data based on the criteria that we specify. This filter function belongs to the category of dynamic arrays functions. The result is an array of values that automatically spills into a range of cells starting from the cell where you enter a formula. For this example, I have an employee details table here from A column to B column, and I have a data validation setup in F4 cell. Once you click here, you can see shift 1 and shift 2. We can select either one of these, and then we have shift wise employee details in the left hand side. So let's see how to use the filter function. For this filter function, before using, we need to copy the same headers to where you are going to apply the formula. So I have copied the headers. Let's use the filter function equals to filter and array. Select the data range of the table, comma, include. This is the condition where you need to specify in which column you wanted to filter the value. So I have to filter in the A column A4 to A21 equals to what is the value of the criteria here F4 cell, then close. Okay, now if you look at the column H, I have only the shift 1 details. I don't have shift 2 details filtered here. This is how the filter function works in MS Excel. If I switch back to shift 2, it automatically filters the shift to details and automatically resizes the data. We look at the data, we have only 7 values in shift 2. If I switch back to shift 1, now it has more values. But I have written only one function. It automatically identifies the data of the range and filters and updates here. This is how the filter function works dynamically. You may get the doubt, what else if I don't have the shift 1 and I have other value provided as a criteria? That time you will get an error. Let us use one function here for demo purpose. Filter, I'm going to select the same data range, comma, select A4 to A21 and give a criteria like Chethana Pixel, which is my YouTube channel, and enter. It will give an error called calc. That means there is no value matching Chethana pixel in this F4 to F21 range. That time you have an optional argument if empty. That means there is no result what you wanted to print. Let's say I'm going to print no results found and close the double quote, hit enter. Now there is no value called Chethana pixel. Sorry, Chethana pixel. Hence, it returned no result found. If I use shift 1, then it will filter the data. This is how you can see the data is filtered. So this is how you can use the filter function in MS Excel. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. I hope this will help you in your daily work to work smarter. In the next video, we will see how to use in advanced level the filter function. Here, I have given only one criteria. Let's see in the next video how to use multiple criteria to filter the data. Thank you.